What's up, fellow collectors? Welcome back to the M.I.B. Master Toy Museum. I'll be your curator today. Guys, we've got a fun one for you. We have an absolute fun one for you today. You're going to be witness to a part of M.I.B. Master Toy Museum history. Today we will be doing an unboxing, if you will, a removal of card, if you will, of this beautiful MEGO action Jackson figure that we rescued today from Target. Now, as many of you know, I am an MIB collector of the highest caliber, and flaws of any kind drive me absolutely nuts. And this AJ card has so many flaws to it. It is beyond saving or rescuing, in a sense of repairing here at the museum. And because we were looking for an AJ figure, for a loose AJ figure for a project, some upcoming projects that we have in the works here at our channel, this was the perfect time to do this. And we were out at Target today. We saved another one. Here's our number 939 out of 10,000. This is the other AJ that we rescued. We rescued two today for the very low price of $3.88. I'd never been to this Target either, so this that really worked out. So it's fun that we were able to kind of find something there, because they had very little, but they did have two AJs, and we rescued both of these AJs. Guys, we will be taking this figure off the card and letting you be a part of the history. I've never done this. It's very painful for me, but when a card that's this banged up and beat up, it's got a dent here, right here, at the corner. It's already peeling here, so that's going to probably be our entry point, just to peel it off the card. So it's already coming off. So let's get you a number, though. It's killing me to do this, guys. Number 2,347 out of 10,000. Guys, let us know what you think of this official unboxing video. Leave your comments right underneath this video in the comment section. I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to try to do this all in one take. Oh my God, it's killing me. The pain. The pain of it all. We're going to free the AJ. I've never seen how this looks from the inside here. So let's the gun. What do you think, Dracula? I know. It's terrible. It's terrible. He's in this tray. Oh, he's heavy. He's really heavy. I've never held one of these AJs in my hand before. Smells brand new too. We were a kid. Remember when we were a kid, you always wanted to smell the toys? It smells brand new. That's fantastic. You are free, sir. You are free to roam the MIB Master Toy Museum. As another one of our security agents and one of our new workers here. So we have some big plans. Like we said earlier, we have some big plans for this AJ figure, this brand new, spanking brand new, mint off the card Action Jackson figure. We have some big plans for him. Really stay tuned, guys, to see our AJ and some upcoming videos. We got more fun on the way. We have some big announcements as well coming, but we wanted to share this video with you guys. I've been criticized in the past. I've had people ask questions. You don't do any unboxing, unveilings. You don't do any why. You know, and being a museum, because we are bent on our mission of preserving and protecting the historical value of these beautiful figures and all of our beautiful figures here at the museum. This is why you see very little unboxings, because I'm always looking for the perfect card, the perfect box, the perfect everything. So this particular AJ card was in extremely poor condition, past saving, so we wanted to do this. He feels fantastic though. But this is MEGO, guys. This is what other toy companies try to replicate and just can't do. They can't make it the way MEGO makes it. Guys, thanks for checking out the video, visiting the museum today, and watching the very first unboxing video in the history of the MIB Master Toy Museum. You know the routine, guys. God bless. And keep collecting.